Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Granta Edupack software to actually learn about crystal structure. Perhaps you have already learned that in your lecture, and so let me just share screen and show you the Granta Edupack layout. This is a reminder that there are many different databases. So let's say we choose, let's go back to the home page, and here we have talked about using level 1 and level 2 and level 3 type of database. But let's say you want to learn about material science. And then let's say you want to learn about crystal structure. So you can use this tool and go to element. And then in there, you can ask yourself which element you're interested in knowing the crystal structure. I like to look at different type of materials. So let's say I want to compare aluminum versus steel. I can click on aluminum, and steel are usually made out of iron. So I'm going to choose iron. Iron is in the transitional element. And alpha iron is where it's at room temperature. So I can look at the two. And so here I can see the differences. So one thing that you can notice is I can get the atomic number. I can get the atomic weight. You might want to ask, what is atomic weight? You can read more about this. And you can also find out the electronic structures. And more importantly, what's the crystal structure of these materials that you are interested in. And seems like aluminum, we have a FCC crystal, and this state would be a metal at around room temperature. And it's solid, okay? It gives you the atomic radius, atomic volume. So you can use this to actually estimate what is the density of the aluminum just simply by calculating using the law that we have learned from our lecture. At the same time, you can look at iron, and iron have a BCC, which is body-centered cubic structure. You can see that the atomic radius and atomic volume is different. And of course, the atomic weight is also different. And so you might want to check out what is lattice parameter, this definition here. What is atomic radius, this definition here. And then another thing that worth mentioning is that what if you kind of want a brief review about what is crystal structure, then you can click on the information tab about crystal structure. And it will talk about what crystal is, what we call the lattice space group or lattice parameter. And so here we have multiple type of space group. And the one that we are usually focusing on in this early on this course is simple cubic, body-centered cubic, face-centered cubic, and hexagonal closed pack structure. Okay, so hopefully this gives you a quick review of how you can use this to learn more about different type of material, different type of crystal structure, and you can go into each one of them and click on that. There are things that I need to look into in order to know what's the crystal structure too. For example, bismuth, okay, boron. All right, so hopefully this gives you a quick review about that, and see you soon in another video. Bye.